Hello everyone, I am Kalpana. Welcome to my channel Table for One. Today we will be making something special which my children like. It is called cabbage bonda, cabbage ambado in Konkani. So let's see how to make it. Today, as you know, we will be making cabbage ambado. Cabbage ambado means cabbage ka bhajia or bonda. Authentically, in Konkani homes, they soak rice and Bengal gram dal for 2 to 3 hours, drain the water, grind it along with salt, chili powder, hing and a pinch of hing and a drop of tamarind. But here, because I am teaching you shortcut, I am using rice flour, besan or chana dal powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a pinch of haldi, a big pinch of hing, 1 drop of tamarind paste. I am using tamarind paste, but if you are using tamarind fruit, you can take a small piece, soak it in little warm water and take the extract. But if you are grinding, as I said, with rice and chana dal, that is for 1 cup of rice, you have to soak almost half a cup of chana dal. Then grind it into a smooth paste without adding too much of water. That is the paste that you have to use to mix the cabbage and onion. But since this is a shortcut method, I am using all powder. So shall we start? My vegetables are all washed. Ensure that you wash all your vegetables thoroughly before you cook. Of course, you have to wash your hand also, because everything is made with hand. You have to have that. You have to ensure that you have to keep your hands clean. Now, slice the cabbage very finely. For this, that is the main thing. You have to slice it very finely. But since cabbage is easy to cut, you can cut it very finely. If you have the vegetable chopper, you can use that. But somehow, because in that there is a tendency for the vegetables to leave water, I am not too comfortable using the chopper. I like to chop it this way. As finely as possible, you chop. Because if you chop your vegetables finely, your bondas also, the shape of your bondas also will come out well, as we call it as cabbage ambado. Ambado means it's round. Ensure that your work area is clean. My hands I have washed. Now I have mixed the cabbage and the onions. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to use the other dry ingredients like hing and a drop of tamarind what we had taken. Salt, haldi and chili powder. Give it a nice mix. See, all the masala is coated. Now it is time to nicely squeeze both onions and cabbage bits, so that all the masala gets mixed with it thoroughly. Now you can see it's almost wet. Water has separated from the cabbage and the onions. So now it's time to add the rice powder. I have taken 3/4 from this bowl, small bowl, and I have taken less than half the quantity of besan. Now give it a nice mix. Now you can see that we have not added water, but still you can see that the vegetables are binding together in its own water. So don't add water, otherwise your cabbage bondas or cabbage ambado will not be crispy. So just keep it for 5 to 10 minutes so that we can start making the balls out of this. Now we will take some amount of the mixture and make balls like this, but we are not going to fry the balls like this. We are just going to flatten it in this way. In this way, deep fry the cabbage ambado. I have got 10 bhajiyas. Now I am switching on the gas. I have taken some oil, not too much, just the right amount to cover this bondas or ambados. In meantime, get ready with a bowl lined with kitchen towels. I have kept the gas on high flame because we are going to deep fry these ambados. Now let's see whether the oil is heated. In my last video, I had already shown you how to check if the oil is ready for frying. Let's see the technique once again. If you drop a piece of your mixture, it should rise up on its own. See, it's not risen up. That means the oil is not heated as of now. Just 30 seconds more. Once the oil is heated and it starts flaming, because it doesn't need too much heat to cook. It will cook on medium high afterwards. So once the oil is heated up, you can see the fumes. I am reducing the flame to medium high and then dropping the bhajos or ambados one by one. After a minute or so, just check whether it's getting cooked properly. See, turn it slowly. Otherwise, your bhajos, if you have not done properly, that is ambados, you have not binded properly, will disintegrate. So do it slowly, gently. Now it's been 2 to 3 minutes since we dropped this ambado balls into the hot oil, and I'm just turning it over once more. It has to cook on medium heat only. This cannot be fried on high heat because the inside will not get cooked. Even the outside will look crispy and nice, the inside will not cook. So it has to be fried on medium heat only. Now as you can see, it's turning light brown. Now it is almost done. See to that both the sides has turned brown. Now reduce the flame to sim, because now you are going to drain the ambados out of this oil. Can you see? It's crisp. We are going to drain. It does not soak much oil because we have not added any water to the mixture. That's why if you see, it has not soaked oil at all. I am getting a very good aroma. Now I have 3 more. I am going to drop it into the oil. The second batch. Our cabbage ambado is ready. So tasty and yummy and easy to make. You can have it, as I said, just as it is with tea or with curd rice or dal and rice. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications.